Hello everyone. Today we are going to have a debate competition between boys and girls where boys are going to speak the benefits of offline shopping and girls are going to speak about the benefits of online shopping.
Today I'm on the side of offline market because I think offline market is not just a buying market. It's give you experience. It's give you on time experience what is you are buying, and also I think this is the best source which can help to socialize with the shoppers, which makes us happy.
Assalamualaikum. I am Samani Ruby. Thank you, sir, for giving me such opportunity. And I am in the favor of online shopping. As we know, online shopping is highly useful for its convenience and 24/7 accessibility, a wide range of products, easy price comparison, and we can shop easily from home in comfort manner. And what you have asked?
uh, Online charges delivery charges, but offline doesn't. You can just pay for the price of the product, not for delivery. You can just go and buy it.
No, there are some online retailers which has the free delivery like Amazon.
They are providing free
Yes.
delivery, but the delivery charges hides in the original price of the product. They don't show that, but it's included in the product's price. That's why the product which available in the market easily in 100 rupees, but the same product available on the online market 150 rupees.
There are some HDFC customers. They can easily
Everyone is not HDFC customers.
Like,
We are normal customers. We all are.
Product. Online shopping don't take too much time. It saves your time. You say how I will tell you. Wait. I have experience. I have experience. Before 2 months, I purchased new phone and I want to buy a new cover. So I purchased new cover from online shopping. Basically 10 to 15 minutes I delivered my. I buy
Which platform?
Amazon. Yes, or it is the benefit, the quality.
Are you living inside the Amazon factory?
Let me complete. Wait.
Are your home in the side of the Amazon factory, because it's not possible to deliver in 15 minutes.
After 2 days, delivery boy will come and it give me. How?
2 days.
After 2 days, yes.
It's not possible. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. It's not. Hello. Hello. It's not possible because they have many steps are during the delivery, because someone has to someone have to shopkeepers who have to packaging time duration. You listen to first me. Someone has to packaging time, and they have
Hello.
they have delivery man come there and get that parcel, and so many shop go to parcel. They have long duration, brothers. If you know understand, can't you say? And one thing, if Gujarat someone have to parcel, how to get in Bhiwandi fast?
If someone don't have time, then what will they do? They do online shopping. Na?
What you said? Hello. 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 Hello.
If product is not good, you return it. It consumes lots of time. Instead, you can buy it from the shop. It saves lots of time. Why return the product? In offline shopping, you don't have to return. You check the quality on the time. If you want it, you buy it. You satisfy, you buy it. If you don't, you don't.
Hello, but offline shopping also don't return the products. No.
Why?
No, and
Why?
also higher cost.
Hello.
And also the product is higher cost.
in offline shops there are limited hours, but in online shopping there are 24/7 hours. And there is a lot of difficulties to return and exchange. Every shop doesn't carry it needs to return and exchange.
Return and exchange, I would like to say on return, because many shop have to no return on shop, no returns. Then you can not return that shop. And also so many if you buy pant and t-shirt, you will go and change it. They shopkeepers can do that. I experienced, and all the peoples are also experienced. Some I get. Yes.
And another point I want to ask you, if you are doing offline shopping, then you get lot of stress by traveling, and you have, whether if you want to purchase a selective item, like whatever desired item you have to purchase, you have to roam here and there in lots of shop. And but in online shopping, you don't have to roam here and there. By sitting at home comfortably, you can buy anything. And there are multiple brands available on online shopping, but not in offline shopping.
Mainly people go with friends or families to go shopping, and it's a fun. If they are doing shopping with the family and friends, it's a fun because they eat. And in mall there are playgrounds also. The kids are playing there. It's a fun.
It's happened is a offline shopping that there are is a noise, is a lots of noise and traffic and lots of people in market and pollution and uh, pollution and lots of pressure. And online shopping is the best because that's why, because you stay at home and comfortably you can buy anything and order anything with your family.
There are many places other than the places where there is traffic. There are pollutions. You can go at different shops.
On the lockdown duration, online, why do you order the online food?
I don't.
You do.
I don't.
Okay, you didn't,
Because-
but
because
but
in
someone's
COVID,
are doing
because-
na.
because-
If you are not doing,
listen to me. Because in COVID era, many shops are closed, but essential products like kirana shop, like ration shop, there was not closed because they are necessary for a living, and government can't shut down that shop. You know that? Then how can say that ki we are starving because of no food, because of no shop?
Then Zomato and Swiggy was also not closed. It was on.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Ansari Umar, and I am a question. Suppose if you are very needed for anything like medicine, some foods, etc., and you don't have any rupees, so you can go to shop and get something, and you can say that I will pay later. If shopkeeper will be humble, so get the thing, etc. But in the online shopping, what will you do?
you are saying correct. But in online shopping, if we don't have money, so we can buy with our brothers, with our younger sisters, to purchase anything. So how you can say that if you don't have money in online shopping, how you can
If you don't
buy?
have brother and sister, what will you do?
Relatives.
We
You
don't have
can't
kind
say
of
that if you
relatives
don't
who
have
gives
any
money.
relatives. You can't say that you don't have any relatives.
Okay, present it.
Assalamualaikum. My name is
Walaikum
Safraz,
assalam.
and in online shopping there are so many scams are done. Like if you ordered a phone on online shopping, you get stone or soap.
I am replying to your question. You should not shop on like unfamiliar websites, and you should shop on like Amazon, Flipkart, which is reputational apps, online retailers. So you have to shop on that retailers, no?
You are saying online has many things, but tell me something that is not available.
Netbook is not available in offline.
What?
Netbook. NCRT books.
It is available in Thane.
हाँ तो
MTG and Target.
available in Thane.
MTG and Target not available in offline, only available in online.
I am also need a student. I am go to Thane and buy a book.
it is far.
No, I go to. I need something. I go to.
MTG and Target not available. But we can do that.
So
Near my home, there is a medical shop named
Near your home, not my home.
That is your problem, not mine.
No, it's not my problem. I need medicine. I need medicine, so I will buy from online.
If you want medicine online,
Yes.
then how much time it will take?
So from relatives, I will take for 10 to 5
also an
days.
offline.
No, it is not offline.
Wait a minute.
It is not offline.
Wait a minute. You are saying if out of near 1 p.m.
No, 1 PM. No.
Someone has a problem like a heart attack.
4 PM, 4
Are you
PM.
going to order online medicine for that person, or go to offline and buy the medicine? So I can say that offline is the traditional method of shopping. We are using since when we born, like a barter system, then money, anything comes on, but system with shopping offline is never gonna change, because it doesn't only provides a product, it provides a experience, a better community with the shopkeepers, and so on. Thank you.
Both online shopping and offline shopping have their unique disadvantages and advantages. It depends on individual's preference. And online shopping is beneficial at the time of when like nowadays environment is nowadays environment is very bad for girls. So online shopping is given the first priority for the girls to shop anything. Thank you.
It was a nice discussion between both the teams, and there were certain points where you could have elaborated, you could have given, I think, better answers, but I think you were not able to give, but no problem, you tried your level best. And this team spoke about the benefits of offline, and this team spoke about the benefits of online. And as per my point of view, I would like to say that both are important, because sometimes you need something urgently, so you cannot go online because you need it in just a couple of hours, so it is not possible to buy online. Maybe you are not aware about some of the applications which provide instant delivery. That's why you have to go for offline, like medicine. And then like if you want to buy a dress, like you made up your mind that you have to buy a dress, and there is a wedding of your best friend, so you started looking your dress and you didn't like any dress, then you have to order, you have to go for new dress, so you cannot go online and order, it will take time. So you can just go to shop and buy, means buy from the shop. This is offline. But sometimes as this team said, that there are certain materials which are not available offline, and for these you have to go online. Like as I have already mentioned yesterday, that there are certain books which is not available even in Mumbai, so I have to order online, so I can get it, at least I can get it even after 5 days, 7 days I can get it, right? So offline and online both are important, but nowadays there is a trend of online shopping. People love to do online shopping, but as per my experience, as per my point of view, actually there is a fun in offline shopping. Like Khuzaima said, I also experienced this, that you can go with your friends, you can go with your family, have a party, enjoy in mall, in any shopping mall. Like you go and then you see different varieties of clothes. Sometimes it also happens in online shopping that you order something and you are confused about the size, and when you get the order and then after there is a issue with size, then you have to replace it. It's not a problem that the company will replace it, but again you will have to wait for 3 to 4 days. But yes, if you want instant delivery, then you have to go for Amazon Prime, then you have to pay extra charges for this, right? But in offline the things are available in cheaper rate as compared to online. But as I said, there are certain things which are only available online, because you can get the things from anywhere, from any corner of the world. Just the badge which you are wearing today, Star of the Month, I ordered it online. It came from Bangalore in just 4 days, right? I just saw the advertisement and I found it very interesting, and then I ordered it online, and then after you got this badge, it's looking beautiful. I had ordered offline also, but I didn't like that much, so I ordered this one. Right, so every coin has two faces, and in offline also you have some advantages and disadvantages, in online also you have, but we have to go for the both as per our requirement, as per our need. So it's time to announce winner team name, and as per my point of view, both the team did well, and there was just 19-20 difference, I can say that, right? It was just 19-20. So this time I would like to go with this team. So clap for them, they are the winner. Because they had some valid points, especially the point of medical store. There were some points and they discussed it very nicely. It doesn't mean that you did not do well. You also did well. But no matter, I had to choose one. So I would like to choose the team who were speaking about offline shopping. So once again, clap for them. Big round of applause. And I appreciate you people also. You discussed it very nicely, and it's really appreciated. Okay, so that was a wonderful discussion. I hope you liked, and I hope those people who are not speaking, actually at least they were listening and they learned so many things from it, because next Friday topic is differences between online and offline shopping. So you are going to get so many points with the help of this debate, right?